Hello everyone, we would like to introduce you to LightDepth, single view depth self-supervision from Illumination decline. Most endoscopes contain a single camera, so the natural way for 3D reconstruction is to use video sequences. However, illumination, lack of texture, and deformation make it a challenging problem. To solve this, we take advantage of the illumination decline to propose LightDepth. Our method shows unprecedented results in both colonoscopy and gastroscopy. In endoscopy, the light source is co-located with the camera, and it illuminates a dark scene. As a result, the intensity decreases with the distance. In fact, that is a function of 1 over the square of the distance. The idea behind single-view self-supervision is that we only need one single image at a time, for both inference and training. Our method does not require any ground truth data, and neither depends on the noisy estimates of the relative pose between frames. Moreover, it allows test and refinement. Our goal here is to obtain a complete reconstruction including depth, albedo, and normals. From this reconstruction, we render an image and minimize the difference with the input image. There are three key ideas in this paper. Firstly, you don't need to estimate normals and depth independently. Both are related. We observe that endoscopy images exhibit a limited range of colors, with brighter tones being present in the closest areas and darkened tones in the deeper regions. Secondly, we predict the albedo of the surface by constraining a color palette that can be explained by the network. Finally, we use specular highlights and the Fresnel equations to self-supervise the surface normals at those points. This method allows us to train a network for albedo and depth estimation. Potentially, can be any network architecture. We tried a UNet and a DPT transformer. We compare our method LightDepth to supervised and other self-supervised approaches. Self-supervision always have a significant performance gap behind methods supervised with ground truth depth. We show that LightDepth self-supervision is more powerful than multi-view self-supervision. In fact, LightDepth is the first self-supervised method that matches the performance of ground truth supervision. Illumination decline is a very strong self-supervision signal. It allows to obtain consistent depth estimation without requiring any ground truth supervision. This opens the way to depth estimation in endoscopy, where ground truth is not available. We present here three takeaways. LightDepth is the first single-view depth self-supervision for depth learning. We outperform other self-supervised methods and we match those supervised with ground truth. We unlock depth estimation in endoscopy without requiring depth supervision, which paves the way for a wide range of novel medical applications. LightDepth, single-view depth self-supervision from Illumination decline. Thank you for watching.